What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 304 of Through the Mail Autographs. As you know, we bought a huge collection of like 150,000, possibly more cards. We went through one monster box of that today. We have some TTM to show you. We have an eBay purchase to show you, actually a few eBay purchases. And look at some of this stuff I found. I finally got some of these. The true Ryan Sandberg rookie card. He's on there with Reggie Smith. I've been looking for these. And I found two of them in that box. Or three of them, I mean. That's awesome. We found some of these. There's a Bench Mini, a McCovey Mini, Negro Mini, a Clemente. There's all kinds of cool cards. These are stars. These are all TTM guys. Let's get right at it. This is what we got. We send out 100 requests per week. And we've been getting like this many per every day lately. So we love it. We have got to try to keep up on it so we can have stuff to show you guys every day. Hopefully this doesn't cramp my style like it did yesterday. Hey, we got Doug Bird, 77 tops, an 82 tops, and an 81 tops. Cool. Joe Schmidt. I'm not sure what year that is. I think that's a 59. And I don't know what that is either. 60 maybe. But he signed for free. 3 for 3. Great deal for a Hall of Famer. Sometimes I'll send $5, but I've been broke and I didn't send him any money this time. Rob Dressler, 81 tops, 80 tops, 81 Donruss, and one of these 75 tops signed by three other guys. Well, two other guys. Now there's three of them. Bernie Carbo, I sent 2 cards. He kept one and sent one back. He was a Rookie of the Year. Oh, there we go. Floyd Bannister, one of the best autographs in business. He's got a nice autograph. 78 tops, 83 Donruss, one of the big cards, and one of those small like Revco sets or something. Yeah, so we got a pretty good stack today. Billy Ashley, 93 tops, 93 Donruss. I think a 90 for Ultra, I think, and a 3 or 94 Stadium Club. That dude's like 6'8". Doug Plank signed an index card for us. Signed a 77, 77, 78, and 70, and 279s. From The Ohio State University. Chris Chandler, he's got a nice looking autograph. Look at that. That thing looks awesome. Look at it pop on an 89 Pro Set. And on that. And look at that. That thing just pops. Definitely has a nice autograph. And that blue Sharpie he used was pretty fresh. Got Danny Bugs again. We just got him back yesterday or last week or something. I think the ones I got back. One of those ones I got back were from like 2 years ago. I didn't get them back, so I thought they were lost forever, so they just came back. He must pick like one time every year or two to do his mail. Burt Jones, 81 tops, 79 tops, 74 tops, and I'm not sure what this is. I just thought it was cool. I picked it up at a card show. First card show I'd been to in like 20 years. Spent like $60 on TTM Fuel that day. Sal Batera, Senior League, 87 tops, 81 tops, and 88 tops. Dave Revering, I got this back returned to sender, and I found a new address for him and was able to get it back. A couple 79 tops, an 82 Fleer, and a Yankees hologram. Just glad to get that back. I never got him back before. Index card. Thank you. God bless you and your family. Dan Boone. He added this card. This is a cool card. I've never had this one. This is a minor league. And a 92 or 82 tops, 82 Donruss, an 82 Fleer, and another 82 Tops. Very nice. That's a guy I've never sent to before either. I like it when I get guys I haven't sent to. Danny Darwin, 82 Donruss, 91 Stadium Club, and 81 Fleer. And shout out to Brandon Stebbins, 90 Donruss right there. Don August. You know, actually, he wrote a note too. It's a pretty long note too. Follow me at Twitter at DonAugust38. My book entitled Foreign Affair is something tentatively due out later this baseball season, but more than likely next season. It's about my experiences as an American former major league pitcher playing baseball in different countries around the world. Watch for it. That's cool. So go out and buy his book when it comes out. 89 score. There's a Ultra 93, I think. 90 Donruss. And I sent a bunch of these big cards out. I like these big cards. Some racing. Here we go. Jimmy Hensley. There's a Max, an SP, another Max, another SP. What else we got? I'm tired today. Did all my eBay shipping this morning. Went home, mowed the grass, and now I'm back here at the office getting ready to list some stuff on eBay and shooting this video for you guys. So it's been a long day. Tony Glover, I think was his name. Got 4 there. Oh, here's the cool one. John Force, one of the greatest drag car guys. He did not sign that one. I don't know if he only does one at a time or he thought it was a duplicate, but it's a different card. I don't know, but I'm glad to get one, so that's good. I'm glad to get anything back. We're getting close to the end here, guys. Brett Bodine. These SPs really look like a nice sign. Look at that. That one looks better in person. I get that little, and I got this little set. These are look good sign too. And I'll just set that right there. Eddie Bijouel, I don't know. Max, and Proset. Last one, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19, 20, 21 returns today. I'm telling you guys, we're kicking it back in gear. Got another racer. It's a Formula 1. Oh, is it Formula 1 or Indy 500 or whatever that circuit is? 2 by Al Unser Jr. Nice. Very nice. Let me know which ones you think are your favorite, and let me know if you've got any of those guys back recently. And look at this eBay stuff. This is amazing. Well, this is off one guy here. He does a bunch of auctions. I don't do much hockey. I've always liked goalies, and I thought that looked good. I paid like 79 cents for it. Greg Swindell, I love this 92 Bowman set. I think I paid a couple dollars for that. Greg Booker's deceased. I think I needed that for my 89 set. I paid a couple dollars. Most of these I paid like $1 for. Like Lavernius Coles. Trent Edwards, those were like 79 cents a piece. Grabbed that because it was like $1. I already have it, but you know, he's deceased. I picked it up for $1. He was one of my favorite coaches and players. Casey Blake, I picked that up for like 79 cents. I think I picked this one up for like $1.25. I think I might already have this, but he's kind of a tough autograph. Just thought this was cool because it's one of the whatever versions, gold versions. Picked that up for like $1. And then I won 2 lots. Angels lot had Jim Eppert. Look at this. Rod Carew. I needed that for my 84 set for sure. Chone Figgins. John Figgins, Garrett Anderson, he was pretty good. Tim Belcher, Rick Burleson. I needed these. I needed those for sets. Mike Butcher. Something Cabrera, Stu Clyburn. Somebody there. John Curtis. It's kind of hard to see these. Damian Easley, Jim Eppert. Garrett Anderson again. Jerry Brown, also won an Indians lot. Brett Butler. Tom Candiotti. Dave Clark. Pat Corrales. Titler. Embry. Ray Fosse, he's deceased now. Ron Hassey charges $15 in the mail. Jesse Levis. Kenny Lofton. He doesn't sign his mail anymore. Jarrett Wright, he was one of the coolest Indians I ever met. I liked him. He was a really cool dude. Todd Green. Brian Harvey. Matt somebody. Ron Jackson. A lot of these I needed for sets. This stuff just keeps on coming. Howie Kendrick, he was pretty good. John Lackey. Carney Lansford, I might have needed that for a set. I don't know. Jeff Mathis. Jose Molina. Eduardo Perez. Vern Rule, he's deceased. I needed that for my set, I believe. Tim Salmon. Jim Slayton. Who's that? Randy Velarde. See, a lot of this new stuff I didn't have, so. Like I said, I don't collect those sets, but I just keep one of everything I get. So, Jose Mesa. I don't think Mesa ever signed his mail, or hasn't done it for a while. Mesa. Dave Nelson. Never tried him before. I don't even know if he's deceased or alive or not, but I think I needed it. Dave Roberts. Don Schultz. David Segui. Kelly somebody. Grady Sizemore, I really liked him. He was one of my favorite players. Jeremy Sowers. Pat Tabler. I think he charges through the mail. Westbrook. Bob Wickman. I think he's deceased. Daryl Afterfelds or something. Sandy Alomar, that's a nice one. Jerry Brown. I think he's past pros. But yeah, I can't remember how much I paid for those. I think it came out to $1 a card or less for those lots. And like I said, all this here, I went through this one monster box, and all this is like TTM. Some of these guys charge a fee, and some of them sign for free. Some of them haven't signed for like a year or two, but you know, they may, you know, kick it back in again. So I figured if they've signed, semi recently, I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. There's like Kingman and Guidry. It's all pretty much 70s and 80s. So, you know, it was like Gene Garber. So it's all pretty good stuff, man. I'm really glad to get it. I had another box almost just like this in the last video. So I've already got almost a 5,000 count box now, just looking through 2 or 3 boxes of TTM Fuel. So this is going to be a mega deal, guys. I'm going to show you some of the better stuff next video. I don't have it with me. But hey, guys, let me know what your favorite was. We'll see you next time. I want to thank everybody that signed my cards. I want to thank you guys for sticking around this far. And have a good one, guys. Till next time. Peace.